A very good morning, children. Welcome to English class. So, how are you feeling today? Are you happy? Or are you sad? Or are you excited? Or are you feeling angry? So, these all are your feelings, your emotions, and your mood swings. So, today we are going to see about feelings, emotions, and moods. Let's see. With the help. Children, we have seen of feelings, moods, and emotions. Now we'll see the people in the story show different feelings, moods, and emotions. For example, Robin showed happiness. The little boy showed excitement. So, happiness and excitement are feelings. In the story, Robin showed happiness and the little boy showed excitement. Look at A bit, children. Each of these faces show a different emotion. Write the words from the box in the correct speech bubbles to describe the faces. Delighted, angry, sad, annoyed, anxious, fearful. These are the feelings. So look at the lady here. How is she looking? She is looking sad. Write down sad from the box. Look here, children. This little boy, how is he looking? He is looking very happy, isn't it? Happy or delighted. Both means same. So from the box, write down delighted. Oh my God, see this man, how is he looking? Angry. He is looking very angry. From the box, write down angry. Now we'll do word pairs. Read these sentences. The sheriff got a big shock when he found that he had been tricked. The sheriff got a large shock when he found that he had been tricked. So these two words are given in green color. Concentrate on that. First one is big shock and the second one is large shock. So which one is correct? Big shock is correct. We don't say large shock. We generally say big shock. So the first sentence is correct sentence. Now come to next page, that is, now read these words, word pairs. First is heavy rain, strong rain. Which one is correct? First one, heavy rain. We don't say strong rain, we say heavy rain. Fast train or quick train. We say fast train, not quick train. So some words are generally used together. We always say strong winds, not tough winds. So some words are generally used together, children. So we don't say tough winds. We usually say strong winds. B bit, underline the suitable adjectives to make the correct word pairs. One has been done for you. First one, the merry men were early or quick risers. Which one is correct? Early. We say early risers, not quick risers. Second one, Robin Hood liked to give the poor cheerful or pleasant surprises. Usually the surprises are pleasant, not cheerful. Underline pleasant. Third one, Robin Hood left for the contest after having a bulky or heavy breakfast. We usually say heavy breakfast, not bulky breakfast. So heavy is the correct answer. Underline heavy. Fourth one, a strong or heavy wind blew through the woods. For winds, what do we use? Strong. It is always paired with strong wind, not heavy wind. So underline strong. Fifth one, the birds in Sherwood Forest sang a very pretty or beautiful song. We usually say beautiful song, not a pretty song. Now let's see syllables. What are syllables? A vowel and usually one or more consonant sounds together form a syllable. Children, a word which has two sounds come together to form a syllable. It can be 1, 2 or more than 2, 3, like that. So see the first one, prize. We are indicating the sound as O in each word by O. Prize. How many vowel? Only one. Prize, I. So one sound, prize. Friendly. The word is divided into two. Friendly. So there are two syllables. Double O. Excited. The word is divided into three equal halves. Excited. excited. So there are 3 syllables. Listen to and read aloud the given words. Find out the number of syllables in each and write O, double O or triple O next to each word. Depending upon the sounds, we have to use single O, double O or triple O. Bow. How many sounds? 1 syllable. So write down O. Second one, excitement. We are breaking this into excitement. 3 syllables. Write down 3 O's. Third one, forest. Forest. So we are breaking the word into 2. For and rest. So there are 2 syllables. Double O. Fourth one, green. Re plus in. Green. Double O. Green. Fifth one, humbly. Hum plus bly. Humbly. Double syllables. 2 syllables. Sixth one is match. It's a single word. Match. So single syllable. Okay, children. Now next one, underline the correct words in brackets to show the meanings of the highlighted words. Use a dictionary to check your answers. One has been done for you. First one, to speak mockingly is to be polite or rude. We have seen in the lesson, mockingly means rude. Underline rude. Second one, when someone is mumbling, their speech is dash, unclear or clear. If someone is mumbling, the speech becomes unclear, right? So underline unclear. Come to next page. Third one, to speak hastily is to speak thoughtfully or thoughtlessly. Hastily generally means thoughtlessly. We speak thoughtlessly. To speak thoughtlessly. Fourth one, children, when someone says something cautiously, they speak carefully or carelessly. Cautiously meaning carefully. When someone says something cautiously, they speak carefully. Now next one are adjectives. What are adjectives? An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. It can show quality, quantity and number. You all know, children, adjectives, it describes a noun. She is a beautiful girl. How is the girl? Beautiful. Girl is a noun. Beautiful is an adjective. Okay, let's see this one. Underline the adjectives in this conversation. Robin, that was an exciting morning. Now it's time for some food. So exciting and some are adjectives. Cook, where would you like to eat? Robin, let's eat under that shady tree there. It's large enough for all of us. Underline shady and large. These both are adjectives. Cook, I'll ask those young men to place the 4 benches and the high iron table there. Young, 4 and high are adjectives. Underline it. Robin, the thought of eating green vegetables and your famous hot soup of tender shoots is making my stomach rumble. So green, famous, hot and tender are adjectives, children. Underline them. Now next one, cook. Here you are. I see my boys carrying 6 large trays laden with plenty of food and drinks. So 6, large and plenty are adjectives. Underline them. B-bit. Write the adjectives from exercise A in the correct columns. So all these adjectives we have to write under 3 columns. The first one is quality, quantity and number. So which one is describing the quality, you have to write down under this column, the quantity in the next one and the number in the next one. So exciting, shady, young, green, hot and tender, they are describing the quality. Quantity is large, high, plenty. These all are describing quantity. Number, 4 and 6 are number. They are numbers. Adjectives of numbers. So this you have to write down. I will send you the pics, children. Complete till page number 30, 28, 29 and 30 page and send me the pics in the group. Okay, bye.